Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to add a downloadable file in WordPress quickly and easily. So by adding a downloadable file, your visitors would be able to download the file that you want to mention in your WordPress site. So before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the PC Tips Pro channel, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So this is your WordPress editing page. Now if you guys don't know how to get to this page, I have mentioned them in previous videos. You can go check out them, or else I can show you very quickly. Just go to WordPress dashboard, and here you can see this customization section over here. Click on edit your front page, and you would be redirected to this editing page. So now, in order to add a downloadable file, first we need to add media to our WordPress. So to add a media, we need to check for media in this left section column. So click on the media and click on add new media. Click on select files. So I have a bunch of files over here. I'll just select one of the file and click on open, so that it would be added to the media items in your WordPress. So here you can see our file is been uploaded. So click on it. So you can see the file preview, and its URL is being mentioned here, its title is given here. So we'll get back to it in a while. Now let's go to this edit page. So this is your page preview. Now go to the place where you want to add the download button. So I just want to add my download button here. So here click on this plus icon, and here you can go with what you want to add. So I want to add a button, that is a downloading file button. So click on it, and then now we can name our button. So I'll just name my button with download here. So we are done with the naming of the button. Now click on this link icon, and now we need to type our URL of the file that we want to attach over here in order the visitors would download it. So we'll go back to this media library, and now copy this URL to the clipboard, and then let's get back to the edit page and paste your URL over here. And if you want to open this download this file in a new tab, check this option, and then we are all done. So now you have successfully added a button to your WordPress website, where the visitors would download the particular file that you mentioned, that you have added in this media library. So this is the first thing, and the second thing goes with, if you want to edit with the Elementor, how can you add the downloadable file button to your WordPress website? So for that, just go and click the button which says edit with Elementor. Click on it, and then so here we go with the Elementor, guys. So here we have some elements. So we need a button. So choose this button and go to the location where you want to add your button of this downloadable file. So I want to add my button here. So drag this button icon to this place. So here you can see this button is being added. So you can add your text over here, like download here, and you can click on it to link it to the URL. So we can paste our copied URL over here in the place of link. So we'll paste it over here, and then we are all done. So in this way we can add our download button to make the visitors download your files quickly and easily in this way. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the PC Tips Pro.